Hello, it's Cara. I'm here to do a video today on NETI pot. So this is all about nasal flushing. Nasal flushing is very good for your health of your sinus nasal cavity. It's also one of the kriyas of yoga. I've just got a really simple plastic neti pot. I did have a pot one, but I didn't like it. So I just got a really cheap one off of eBay. Okay, so what, well, I'll go through a little bit about the NETI, but I'm just going to keep it really simple. Please do research yourself a little bit more to check that it's right with you. So one very important thing that you need is purified, thoroughly boiled, lukewarm, very cool warm, like tepid warm water, but you just must make sure that it is boiled. All you need is two ingredients: the boiled sterilised water, bottled sterilised water, whichever one you choose, and also salt. Now salt is very important as well. Do not use table salt, it has additives in it. So make sure that you use Himalayan salt, or especially salt specifically suitable for neti potting. So again, do your research. Please do not use tap water for neti potting. Please do not use table salt for neti potting because it can cause infections of the sinus. Okay. So it can, the neti pot, when you do it, can help release mucus and allergens. It can remove congestion and blockages. It can help sinusitis. It can help lots of things. If I am feeling like I'm coming down with something, like kind of a cold or a head cold, and I'm feeling like I'm sneezing or I'm blowing my nose or I've got mucus there, what I do is automatically come and have a neti pot. You can do neti potting every day, or you can just do it intermittently, or just once every now and again. It's entirely up to you. Okay, so I've brought a little bowl today. I'm going to demonstrate. I've brought my already boiled water, and I will definitely need a piece of tissue for afterwards. So what you do, you get your neti pot, you fill it up. I'm gonna make sure that it's clean and sterile. I use Milton's fluid to sterilise it very regularly. What you do is you put the spout up the nostril, you tilt the head at 45 degrees, open the mouth, and the water will pour through. And then when you go like that, very gently please, just let the rest of the water release down. Opening the mouth stops the water from going down the back of the throat, so all it does is it just pours through the sinus cavity, the upper cavity. It's really good if you have headaches as well, if you have migraines, you know, if you've got like a tension in the head or anything. And for me, it kind of like wakes me up and makes me feel really alive and alert. I just love a good neti pot. I really do. It's amazing. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate now. I hope I've taught that through right for you. You know, there's lots of other videos. Run a few, you know, kind of go look at a few before you do it yourself. Just make sure you've got no big bits of salt. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the, I can't talk while I do this as well, obviously. Okay, so I'm going to put the spout up. I open my mouth. So that is the first nostril. Then I'm going to go on for the second. Have a good blow, but a very gentle one. Beautiful. So you might find as well that the water actually comes out of your eyes as well, not out of your eyes, but you feel the eyes like kind of watering. And the neti pot is said to be very good for your skin. I always like kind of have a post neti pot glow, which is really, I feel just so clean, and it's really, really beautiful. For some reason I love counting when I do it, so I count 12 seconds each side. So I'll just tip that out there. So what I do is like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, so on and so forth for 12 seconds. And then I do the other for 12 seconds. And one neti pot can actually do both sides if I count for 24. But please do find your own rhythm. Okay, I seem to believe that that's it. It's pretty simple, really. You can do it in your bathroom, in your kitchen, whatever works for you. Whatever you use, just please do make sure that everything is like kind of sterilised as well after you've used it. And as I've said, use the Milton sterilising fluid or whatever safe, non-toxic version that you have available. Okay, enjoy neti potting. Thank you very much. Feel free to visit me on my website, which is underneath below. If you want to support me doing these videos, you are welcome to donate on my website. I also have Zoom classes with yoga, Sacred Dance Collective, Elemental Tai Chi. Everything is going off, so you're welcome to come and join me for some beautiful activities. I also travel to, when we're not on lockdown, to amazing yoga studios all over to host lovely days and evenings, workshops and events. And I also train in lots of beautiful different subjects. So please do check me out, go have a look, and have a beautiful, beautiful day. Thank you very much. Bye. Namaste.